Yeah, dear students, in today's class, let us learn homeomorphism. Okay, let us take two topological spaces, let X, Y be two topological spaces. Topological spaces. Okay, and F from X to Y, a function F from X to Y be any function. This function is said to be a homeomorphism. Is a homeomorphism. Morphism if only if number one, F is bijective. What do you mean by bijective? 1 1 and on 2. Second one, that F should be continuous. F is continuous. Third one, F inverse is continuous. F inverse is continuous. Then we say the function is a homeomorphism. Okay. Then let us see two more definitions. A function from X to Y is said to be an open mapping. Open mapping if this function F maps open sets to open sets. And a function is said to be a closed mapping if it maps closed sets to closed sets. Okay. Now we shall prove one theorem. The theorem is a mapping F from X to Y. We'll take up a theorem now. Theorem is this. A mapping F from X to Y is an open mapping. What is an open mapping? Remember, takes open sets to open sets, right? Is an open mapping if and only if F inverse is continuous. F inverse is continuous. Okay, so now we'll prove this. So proof. Remember, there is if and only if. Okay, so there are two ways. So one is the necessary. We have to prove the necessary, and then we have to prove the sufficiency, right? Let us see what is necessary. Necessary, what is given? So given for the necessary, F is an open mapping. And what is to be proved? TPT, to prove that F inverse is continuous. Okay, now F inverse will be a function from where to where? F is from X to Y, right? So F inverse will be from Y to X. And we have to prove that this function is continuous. So we prove what? We prove inverse of an open set is open. Inverse of open set inverse of an open set is open. So we'll take an open set. So let A be an open set in the codomain of F inverse. So what is the codomain of F inverse? It is nothing but X. Let us take an open set in X. Okay. And what is F of A? F of A is dash. Can I guess? F of A is dash in Y. Can you guess? What is F given? F is an open mapping. See, our F is an open mapping that is given. And what is our A? A is an open set. So what is F of A? F of A is open in Y because what they have given? Given F is an open mapping. They have given F is an open mapping. Okay, so F of A is open. And F, can I write in terms of F inverse? So what is my F now? So F is nothing but and we have F inverse, whole inverse is nothing but F. Right? Now replace. In the place of F, we'll write F inverse, whole inverse. So F inverse, whole inverse, right, of A is open in Y. Right? Remember, we had to prove this F inverse, whole inverse of A is open in Y. Therefore, inverse, what is our A? A is an open set. And inverse of this is again open in Y. So therefore, F inverse is continuous. F inverse is continuous, hence necessary. Very, very simple. Okay, now we shall prove the sufficiency. So what is sufficiency? Sufficiency given and TPT. So what is sufficiency given? Sufficiency given. What is sufficiency given? Given F inverse from Y to X is continuous. And to prove that F is an open mapping. We have to prove that F is an open map. That means what? F takes open sets to open sets, right? So let A be an open set in X. Why we are taking in X? Because F is from X to Y. Right? I am taking any open set in X. Right? Okay. And F inverse from Y to X is dash. What they have given? This is continuous. They have given this is continuous. Continuous, you have an open set in X. Right? Our A is open set in X, no? So, you have an open set in X. So, what is F inverse? Whole inverse of A is open in Y because F inverse is continuous. Right? And F inverse whole inverse is nothing but F. So, we get what? Replace now. So, in the place of F inverse whole inverse is nothing but F of A is open in. Therefore, F takes open sets to open sets. Therefore, this is an open map. Hence, sufficiency. So, we have proved a mapping is an open mapping if and only if F inverse is continuous. Right? Now, what is the definition of homeomorphism? Homeomorphism says that homeomorphism is a function from X to Y is said to be an homeomorphism. Is said to be a homeomorphism if and only if, let me write here, homeomorphism. If and only if, number 1, F is bijective. Okay, second one, F is continuous. F is continuous. And third one, F inverse is continuous. And we just now proved a theorem. It said that F inverse continuous is equivalent to F is an open mapping. So this can be replaced by F is an open mapping. F is an open mapping. So F is a homeomorphism if and only if F is bijective, F is continuous, and F is an open mapping. So bijective we know 1, 1 and on to. Continuous we know that inverse of an open set is open. And open mapping means what? Maps open sets to open sets. Fine. This is another definition of homeomorphism. Okay. So we shall stop now. The next class will take up more theorems on homeomorphism.